One, today I am dealing with the point Netra Sharira. Synonyms of Netra. Synonyms that is Aksham, Lochanam, Nayanam, Darshanam, Ikshanam, Chakshu, Akshini, Druk, Drushti, Netra and Prashanam. नेत्रगोलक विद्याद्वयंगुल्य बाहुलं स्वांगुष्ठोदर संमितं द्वयंगुल्यं सर्वतः सार्धः भीषड्नयनं बुद्बुदं सर्वृत्तं गोस्तनाकारं सर्वभूतो गुणोद्भवं पलं भूअग्नितो रक्तं वातात् कृष्णशीतं जलात् आकाशात् अश्रुमार्गाश्च जायन्ते नेत्रबुद्बुदे नेत्रगोलक that is eyeball. Eyeball measures about 2 angulas. Angula equal to one's own finger width in all direction. That is diameter. Shaped like Gokaustana, made up of 5 Mahabhutas. Pala is made up of Prithvi. Rakta is made up of Agni. Krishna Mandala is made up of Vata. Shukra Mandala is made up of Jala. Ashrumraga is made up of Akasha. Components of eyeball that are Patala, Mandala and Sandhi. Patala are 6, Mandala are 5, Sandhi are 6. नेत्रपटल तेजोजलाश्रितं बाह्यं तेजवन्तः पिशिताश्रितं मेदश्रुतीयं पटलमाश्रितं त्वस्थितचापरं पञ्चमांसं दृष्टेस्तेषां बाहुल्यमिष्यते. As seen in the diagram, there are different parts of eyes: ciliary body, suspensory ligaments, cornea, iris, pupil, aqueous humor, lens, vitreous humor, optic disc that is blind spot, central artery and the vein of retina, optic nerve, fovea, center of visual field, retina, choroid and sclera. Netrapatalas are 6. 2 are Vartamapatalas, 4 are Akshipatalas. Patala is one of the structure told by Sushruta in Netra Sharira. Meaning of Patala is film or coating over the eyes. First 4 are Akshipatala and 5th and 6th are Vartamapatalas. First patala. Dalhana has described first or outermost patala as Tejo Jalashritam. Tejo, it means Alochaka Pitta. Jala means Rasadhatu. He stated that it is the seat of Alochaka Pitta. So it can be considered that first patala is Ashraya for Rasadhatu. Rasa and Raktadhatu. First patala can be taken as cornea and aqueous. Cornea, that is anterior portion of eye. Aqueous humor, it is thin watery fluid, that is space between cornea and lens. As seen in the diagram, cornea and aqueous humor. Cornea, it is the anterior portion and aqueous humor, it is thin watery fluid. Second patala, that is, it is mamsashrita. It can be taken as iris and ciliary body. Both iris and ciliary body are mesodermal in origin and contain muscle tissue. Ciliary body continues forward to form pigmented and opaque structure called as iris. Iris is the visible colored portion of an eye. Third patala, it can be taken as Medoashrita patala, can be taken as lens and vitreous humor. Vitreous humor, it is space between lens and retina. Vitreous humor is a jelly structure which resembles fat, that is meda. As seen in the diagram, vitreous, it is the jelly structure. Fourth patala, it is Asthyaashrita patala located in the eye as Asti dhatu. It can be taken as retina. The retina is a thin layer of tissue that lines the back of the eye on the inside. It is located near the optic nerve. The purpose of retina is to receive light that the lens has focused, convert the light into neural signals, and send these signals onto the brain for visual recognition. It is the seat of Linganasha. Fifth and sixth patala. These both are Vartama patalas. It can be taken as palpebrae. Palpebrae, it means the upper and lower eyelid termed as palpebrae, along with the eyebrows and eyelashes, help to protect the eyeball from intrusion of foreign matter, excessive light entrance and injuries to various causes. नेत्रगट संधि पक्ष्मवर्तमगटः सन्धिवर्तमशुक्लगतो अपरः शुक्लकृष्णगतस्तवन्यः कृष्णदृष्टिगतो अपरः ततकनिनकगतः षष्ठचापङ्गः स्मृतः. Sandhis are junctional area between two mandalas. They are 6 in number. First is Pakshma Vartamagata Sandhi, union line of Pakshma Mandala and Vartama Mandala called as Pakshma Vartamagata Sandhi. It is between palpebrae and eyelashes called as lid margin. This is Pakshma Vartma Gata Sandhi. Vartma Shukla Gata Sandhi. Union line of Vartma and Shukla Mandala is called as Vartma Shukla Gata Sandhi. Formix of eyeball where palpebrae conjunctiva is reflected on the bulbar conjunctiva seems to Vartma Shukla Gata Sandhi, that is between palpebrae and sclera. This is Vartma Shukla Gata Sandhi. Third is Shukla Krishna Gata Sandhi. Circular lining joining between Shukla Mandala and Krishna Mandala is called as Krishna Gata Sandhi. Junctional area can be considered as sclerocorneal junction, that is limbus, as seen in the diagram. This is Shukla Krishna Gata Sandhi. Fourth is Krishna Drishti Gata Sandhi. Union line of Krishna and Drishti Mandala is called as Krishna Drishti Gata Sandhi. By considering iris part in Krishna Mandala, this sandhi can be explained, and central free margin of iris, which rests on the anterior capsule of the lens, can be considered as Krishna Drishtigata Sandhi. Otherwise, there are no apparent union line between cornea and pupil. This is Krishna Drishtigata Sandhi. Kaninaka Sandhi. Dalhana describes this sandhi and it can be considered as inner or nasal canthus of eye. Canthus, it means it is the corner of eye where upper and lower eyelid meet. In the diagram, that is inner and outer canthus. Inner canthus, it means Kaninaka. Outer canthus, it means Apanaga. Apanga Sandhi. Dalhana describes Apanga Sandhi as it can be considered as outer canthus of eye. It is one of the marma point. Netra Mandala. Pakshma Vartma Shweta Krishna Drushnam Mandalane tu Netrayam Matri Bhagam tu Krishna Mandala Muchyate Krishna Saptamischanti Drushti Visharadaha. Mandala means which covers the circular area or concentric circles of an eye. Pakshma Mandala, that is eyelashes, as seen in the diagram. This is the first and outermost mandala of an eye formed by Pakshma or eyelashes. Pakshma Vartamoromani, they are situated in the lid margin called Pakshmashaya or Pakshmasadana. Pakshma is a form of Kesa and considered as Upadhatu of Majja. This is Pakshma Mandala. Second is Vartma Mandala, that is eyelids, as seen in the diagram. Upper and lower eyelids jointly form a circle in front of the eyeball, which is termed as Vartma Mandala. This is also known as Akshi Kosha, considering its protective function. The two eyelids meet in two sandhis called as Kaninaka and Apanaga. Vartama Mandala is muscular organ consisting of Prithvi Mahabhuta dominance and Sthanika dosha in Kapha. Vartama Mandala is carried out by Vyanavayu. Third, that is Shukla or Shweta Mandala, that is sclera, as seen in the diagram. This portion appears as whitish and therefore known as Shukla Mandala. The Shukla Mandala can be correlated to sclera part of outer fibrous coat of eyeball covered with conjunctiva. Shukla Mandala forms sandhi with neighboring mandalas and as peripherally Vartama Shukla Sandhi. Medially, that is Kaninaka Sandhi. Laterally, that is Apanaga Sandhi. It is dominated by Kapha due to presence of Panchamahabhuta. The Sthira, Snigdha and Guru properties of Kapha provide shape and stability to the eyeball. This is Shukla Mandala. Fourth is Krishna Mandala, that is iris, as seen in the diagram. The size of mandala is 1/3 of whole netra. This mandala can be compared with the cornea and appears as a blackish because of iris. Through it is transparent. Krishna mandala has predominance of vata. Iris, it means flat colored ring shaped membrane behind the cornea of eye with an adjustable circular opening in the center. Fifth is drishti mandala, that is retina, as seen in the diagram. Last and innermost circular structure of netra encloses drishti in it and hence named as drishti mandala. Measurement of this mandala is 1/7 of Krishna mandala in the opinion of Videha and Dalhana. According to Ashtang Sangraha, it is said to be equal to 1/9 part of Krishna mandala. The shape of drishti mandala is like masoor seed. According to Sushruta, Drishti Mandala is 1/9 of Krishna Mandala. Retina, a layer of at the back of eyeball that contains cells sensitive to light, which triggers nerve impulses. that pass through the optic nerve to the brain, with where a visual image is formed. This is Drishti Mandala. दृष्टी मसूर दल मात्रा तु पंचभूता प्रसादजाम सद्योत्विस्फुलंगा भामिद्या तेजोभिरव्यवः. Drishti is made up of Pancha Mahabhuta and resembles like spark of fire. It has long lasting tejas, that is glow, and enveloped by outer layer of eye. It measures equal to the size of cotyledon of lentil grain. It accommodates according to the effects of heat and cold. Netra Upanagas, that is appendages of eye. Ashru Samsthana, that is lacrimal apparatus. Ashru Margaha, Ashru Shrotansi, Chaturangula Pruthakah, चबुकोष्ठनासादृष्ट्यन्तः कर्णललाटम. The lacrimal apparatus. It consists of lacrimal gland, excretory ducts of lacrimal gland, lacrimal punctum, lacrimal canaliculus, nasolacrimal duct, and lacrimal sac. Ashrumraga is the Ashrushrotas extend between Nasa and Netra. It measures about 4 angulas. Kaninaka द्वयक्षि भाषायां सममिक्ष सन्धिरः भिद्यते. कनिनकगतः नासा समीपे अवस्थितः. Kaninaka is joint present in the eye at the level of nasa. They are two and located in the medial side of the eye. अपनगा अपंगो भूपुच्छान्तः स्थितः अपंगायो नेत्रप्रदेशयोः. Apanga is the joint of eye located at the lateral end of the eye near the eye margin of eyebrow, that is outer canthus. Thank you.